Welcome to My Outdoor. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to measure and order your folding arm awning. Step 1. Print off your forms. Head to the MIY Outdoor website, click on the Support tab and download both the order form and DIY checklist. Step 2. Choose your mounting style. You've got 3 options: face mount, directly onto a structural wall; roof mount, using custom-made roof brackets; fascia mount, with rafter brackets fixed to your timber rafters. Not sure which is right for you? It's always best to double-check with a builder or engineer and review your local building rules. Step 3. Measure your space. Measure the total width where your awning will go. This includes the overall cassette and arms. Watch for obstacles like pipes or lights. Then, decide how far out you want your awning to extend. My Outdoor awnings range from 1,600mm to 4,100mm, depending on width. Choosing a larger extension is often a smart move. You can always retract it when needed. Step 4. Height and pitch. Ensure your awning is mounted at least 2.5 meters from the ground. The minimum pitch is 5 degrees to allow proper water runoff. This can be fine-tuned during installation. Step 5. Bracket details. If you're fascia mounting, note the roof or rafter pitch with a gauge or app, then the distance from the rafter end to clear the fascia and gutter. This diagram can be found on the MIY support page. For roof mounting, note the roof pitch, distance between purlins, mounting points, back bracket height for gutter clearance. The awning bracket type depends on your awning model. Titan Flex half cassette uses an F bracket. Millennium Enclosed cassette uses a multi-grip bracket. All awnings come with 3 standard brackets, plus 1 extra for every metre over 2.5 metres. We'll calculate the exact number when you order your awning. Step 6. It's time to customise your awning. Head back to the support page to download fabric swatches, powder coat colour options, and motorisation details. Need help? You'll find everything you need on the MIY Outdoor support page.